For a while, I've been using Lego blocks as my silicone mold housing. I think it's time for an upgrade. Using my diode laser cutter, X-Tool M1, I'm going to cut an acrylic sheet to make an adjustable mold housing. Wow, it took 30 minutes to cut. Glued the parts with acrylic cement. I made 4 of these. You can adjust to any size. Ooh. Ah. Use clamps to secure. Let's make a mold and see if it works. This is a transfer sheet. Rub, 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 and stick it on well. More rubs. In goes the molding silicone. Praying the silicone won't leak out. Yay! It didn't leak and it cured. Just cutting off some bits here. Beautiful. Wait a minute. Is that a cat hair?